Electric power steering, EPS, has without a doubt simplified the way we interact with our vehicles. It's efficient, usually reliable, and typically offers a smoother steering experience. Yet, as with any technology, EPS isn't immune to issues. Here's a rundown of some common problems and what they signal. 1. Loss of power steering. Occasionally, you might start the car and find that the power steering just isn't working. The wheel might feel heavy, as if you've suddenly time-traveled to the pre-power steering era. This could be due to a malfunctioning power steering motor or issues with the power steering control unit. In less technical terms, your car's steering assistance has gone on vacation without notice. 2. Steering wheel slips. When you attempt to turn, this problem feels exactly how it sounds. You try to turn the wheel and it either slips or moves too easily. It's akin to trying to open a jar with greasy hands. Often, this is a sign that the steering gear is failing, or there's a fault in the steering sensors that provide feedback to the EPS system. 3. Steering effort increases at low speeds. This one's tricky. You'd expect your car to be easy to maneuver, especially at lower speeds like when you're trying to park. If it feels like you're doing a workout just turning the wheel, it might be down to a malfunction in the torque sensor or other components that aren't communicating correctly with your car's computer. 4. Noise when turning the wheel. No, that groaning isn't your car complaining about the early morning start. There shouldn't be noises coming from your steering wheel. If there are, it's often due to issues within the steering system itself, such as the electric motor failing or encountering excessive resistance. 5. The steering feels too loose or too tight. Finding the Goldilocks zone of steering feel can suddenly become impossible. If turning feels different or not as precise as it used to, the system's calibration may be out. This could result from wear and tear on the steering components or, again, issues with sensors. I've encountered one or two of these issues driving around Portland, Oregon. The mix of urban driving and the occasional escape to the scenic routes around the Pacific Northwest can put any power steering system to the test. The crucial thing with EPS problems is not to ignore them. They can escalate from being a mere nuisance to affecting your vehicle's safety and handling capabilities. Regular maintenance checks can catch many of these issues early on, ensuring your steering stays reliable, responsive, and ready for wherever the roads from Portland to the Pacific may lead.